Que lo que mi gente? Welcome to another episode of Kelvin's Kitchen. On this episode, we're making Carnitas street tacos. Let's go over the ingredients. I am using 2.5 pounds of tenderloin pork, 2 sofrito cubes, 1 lime, adobo, rosemary, sazon, black pepper, 1 cup of beer, whichever beer you prefer. The rest of the beer, you can just drink it. I have my Instant Pot on saute. Let's go ahead and put some olive oil. You do need olive oil. That's good. Let's saute our sofrito. Okay, the sofrito has been sauteing for a couple of minutes now. Let's go ahead and at this point put in our pork in. I cut the pork in about 1-inch cut, pretty long, about 2 inches long. And we're going to sear the pork. We'll sear the pork for a few minutes and then we'll add the rest of the ingredients. At this point, the carnitas seared for about 5 minutes. I will go ahead and put the rest of the ingredients in. So now that I put all the ingredients in, the carnitas are going to cook for about 35 minutes. And at that point, I'll show you how to put the street tacos together. See you guys in 35 minutes. Hi guys, welcome back. My carnitas are ready. They cooked for 35 minutes under the meat setting. They still have a little bit of liquid from the beer. So I changed the setting from meat to saute for another 10 minutes. Just to simmer some of that juice, and they are ready. Now I can just turn it off, cancel, and my carnitas smells delicious. Now let's put our street tacos together. For the tacos, you're going to need 1 lime, half an onion, jalapeno pepper. I took the seeds out so they're not too spicy. And some fresh cilantro. Also, you'll need some corn tortillas. For each taco, you'll need 2 tortillas. So I'm making 3 tacos, so therefore I am using 6 tortillas. Okay, so I am going to dice up my onion and cut up my pepper. Okay guys, so let's put our street tacos together. The carnita smells delicious. The carnita smells really good. There you go. Now we add some onion. A little bit of cilantro. And of course a little jalapeno. You can always add sriracha. Your favorite hot sauce is fine. No one's judging you. And there you have it, guys. Carnitas street tacos. If you guys enjoyed this recipe, please go ahead and subscribe. Check out other recipes. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye. You know I'm hungry, so I'm gonna tear it up.